Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can link your Apple ID in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download and install it from the Play Store. What you need to do next is to go to Home, which is on the left hand side corner, and click on the gear icon, which is the settings on the top right hand side. After you do that, go to Account. Then you can see the device unlock method option here. Right below it there is Apple. So if you want to link your Apple ID, just go ahead and tap on link, which is right next to Apple, and the next thing you want to do is write down your email address or phone number which you use to open up the Apple account. So after you do this, go ahead and write down your email address, then go ahead and write down your password. So make sure that this password is correct and it matches with your Apple account as well. So after you write down your email address or phone number and password, go ahead and click next, and you can easily link with the Apple account to your Line account. So guys, I hope this video about how you can link your Apple ID in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.